This is the view from the east side entrance, which is the kitchen entrance for the main floor. You can see the hardwood floors need to be completed in the kitchen. This is the dining room. For these walls, I want to put 1/4 inch drywall over top of them to finish them out. 1/2 inch drywall throughout the rest of the house. You can see where the hardwood floors need to be replaced. Lighting is installed. That switch plate needs to be installed. We're walking into the living room now. A fireplace will need to be installed here. Washer and dryer. Coat closet. Main entry door. This light switch needs to be wired. All walls and ceiling will have drywall. This is one of the bedrooms. That's the HVAC. Ceiling fan, which needs to be installed. I want to replace the windows in the house, and during that process would like to demolish these sills and replace them with either solid stone or wood. This is walking into the main bedroom, master bath. You can see the electrical boxes need to be prepped. The plumbing is almost done. There will be in-wall toilets in this bathroom. A linear drain for tile. Valves are installed. This will be the master shower. Some framing is necessary to patch some holes that were drilled for plumbing. This is the main bedroom, the master bedroom. That toilet is just an extra toilet. It will not be installed. You can see where all the hardwood flooring needs to be replaced, including in the laundry room. And it obviously needs to be refinished. This is heading down to the basement. You can see a switch plate here that needs to be installed. This door needs to be replaced and framed with this 8-foot wide patio door. Mechanical in the basement is done. Rough mechanical. We're walking into the living room now. Some small framing pieces need to be buttoned up, but for the most part it's finished. This is the insulation for the floor joists up above. This is one of the bedrooms. Windows have been installed. I have blue tape marking most of what needs to be done. We are walking into the hallway where the other bedroom is. I had to remove some framing to accomplish the plumbing. Some stuff like that needs to be wrapped up. It's a closet. Some patches of concrete need to be done. This is the bathroom. You can see there's some plumbing that needs to be finished. Some concrete that needs to be patched in. This will be a tub. Another place framing needs to be completed. That'll be the tub shelf. We will walk back into the living room. This is what the panel currently looks like. The majority of this is wired in except for the air conditioning and ranges. Everything above 20 volts. All of the lighting is functional, there just aren't light bulbs plugged in. This basement floor will get stick-on vinyl that resembles hardwood floors. And this will be a kitchen in the basement for a duplex.